Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download your Banco Sabadell statement. First, go to your phone and open the App Store. Search for the Banco Sabadell app and install it. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in using your username and password. Make sure you enter your details correctly so you can access your account without any issues. After you are logged in, look at the screen and find the menu icon on the left side. Tap on this menu to open more options. You will see a list of different features available in your account. From this list, find and tap on the option that says View Files. Once you are inside, look for the option labeled Statements and tap on it. Now you will be asked to choose a date. Select the time period for the statement you want to download. This could be a specific month or a custom date range depending on what you need. After selecting the date, your statement will appear on the screen. Take a moment to review it and make sure it is the correct one. Then look for the Download or Save option. Tap on it to save the statement to your device as a PDF file. You can now access this file anytime from your phone or share it if needed. Thanks for watching.